एवरीवन, इट्स मी शिल्पी एंड आई वेलकम यू ऑल टू माय चैनल। आज के इस वीडियो में हम टेरिडोफाइट टॉपिक लेंगे और टेरिडोफाइटा से रिलेटेड जितने भी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं उनको हम डिस्कस करेंगे। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग मच टाइम लेट्स बिगिन विद द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। फर्स्ट है, विच प्लांट ग्रुप इज कॉल्ड वेस्क्यूलर क्रिप्टोगेम्स? ए एल्गी, बी फंजाई, सी ब्रायोफाइटा या डी टेरिडोफाइटा? करेक्ट इज डी। नेक्स्ट, टेरिडोफाइट्स आर ए ऑलवेज हर्ब्स, बी जनरली हर्ब्स, रेयरली क्लाइंबर्स इन ट्रीज, C shrubs and trees या D always trees? Correct is B. Next, which is regarded as age of pteridophytes? A Mesozoic, B Proterozoic, C Paleozoic या D Cenozoic? Correct is C Paleozoic. Next, botanical snakes are A algae, B bryophytes, C pteridophytes या D gymnosperms? Correct is C pteridophytes. Next, in which of the following plants is the diploid stage generally dominant? A algae, B fungi, C mosses या D ferns? Correct is D ferns. Next, pteridophytes are characterized by A presence of vascular tissue, B absence of flowers, C absence of fruits या D all of the above? Correct is D. क्योंकि जितने भी क्रिप्टोगैम्स होते हैं उसमें सीड्स नहीं होते हैं, फ्रूट्स भी नहीं बनता है, फ्लावर्स भी प्रेजेंट नहीं होते हैं, लेकिन टेरिडोफाइट्स ऐसे क्रिप्टोगैम्स हैं जिसके अंदर वेस्कुलर टिश्यू प्रेजेंट है। नेक्स्ट, टेरिडोफाइट्स डिफर फ्रॉम ब्रायोफाइट्स इन ए हैविंग मोटाइल स्पर्म्स, बी हैविंग ऑल्टरनेशन ऑफ जनरेशन, सी हैविंग आर्किगोनिया या डी प्रेजेंस ऑफ वेस्कुलर टिश्यू? इसका करेक्ट आंसर है डी। Next, the phloem in pteridophytes is lacking A sieve tubes, B phloem parenchyma, C companion cells या D none? इसका करेक्ट आंसर है C companion cells. Next, vessels are present in xylem of A lycopodium, B selaginella, C equisetum या D both B and C? इसका करेक्ट आंसर है D both B and C, क्योंकि जो भी टेरिडोफाइट्स के जो कंडक्टिंग टिश्यू होते हैं फ्लोएम और जाइलम, तो जो टेरिडोफाइट्स के जाइलम होते हैं उसमें वेसल्स जनरली एब्सेंट होता है। ये बी और सी जो ऑप्शन है सिलेजिनेला और इक्विसिटम, ये एक्सेप्शन है। ठीक है। नेक्स्ट, सेकेंडरी ग्रोथ इन टेरिडोफाइट्स इज ए एब्सेंट, बी एब्सेंट एक्सेप्ट आइसोइटीज, सी एब्सेंट एक्सेप्ट सिलेजिनेला या डी प्रेजेंट एवरीवेयर? करेक्ट इज बी। Next, members of pteridophytes are A homosporous, B heterosporous, C homosporous or heterosporous या D none? Correct is C. Next, spores on germination in pteridophytes gives rise to A sporophyte, B strobilus, C prothallus या D none of the above? Correct is C prothallus. Next, which of the following is heterosporous? A selaginella, B salvinia या C azolla या D all of these? Correct is D. Next, sex organ in pteridophytes are A unicellular and jacketed, B multicellular and non-jacketed, C multicellular and jacketed या D unicellular and non-jacketed? इतने सारे ऑप्शंस में से कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है, हमें सिर्फ इतना याद रखना है बायोफाइट्स और टेरिडोफाइट्स दोनों में मल्टीसेलुलर और जैकेटेड होते हैं सेक्स ऑर्गन्स। ठीक है। नेक्स्ट, नंबर ऑफ नेक कैनाल सेल्स इन आर्किगोनियम ऑफ टेरिडोफाइट्स इज A 2 to 6, B 4, C 1 या D 1 to 14? Correct is D 1 to 14. Next, the spermatozoids in vascular cryptogams are A non-flagellated, B biflagellated, C multiflagellated या D biflagellated or multiflagellated? Correct option is D. Next, term alternation of generations in ferns and mosses was first used by A Nageli, B Van Tighem, C Hofmeister या D Braun? Correct is C Hofmeister. Next, the characteristic feature of eusporangiate type of sporangium development is A sporangium develops from group of cells, B having multilayered jacket, C contains large number of spores या D all of the above? इसका करेक्ट आंसर है D all of the above, क्योंकि ये तीनों eusporangiate टाइप के कैरेक्टर्स हैं। नेक्स्ट, which pteridophyta group is commonly called as club mosses or spike mosses? A Psilophyta, B Lepidophyta और Lycophyta, C Arthrophyta और Calamophyta या D Filicophyta और Pterophyta? Correct answer is B Lepidophyta और Lycophyta. Next, the term steel was first used by A Sech, B Kidson and Lang, C Van Tighem and Dolliard या D Church? Correct is C. Next, steel includes A vascular tissue, xylem plus phloem, B pith and vascular tissue, C vascular tissue plus pith plus pericycle या D vascular tissue plus pith plus pericycle plus endodermis? तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा C स्टील किसे कहते हैं? वेस्कुलर टिश्यू मतलब जाइलम फ्लोएम, पित्त और पेरिसाइकल को मिलाकर स्टील बनता है। Next, most primitive type of steel found in pteridophytes is A. Siphonosteel, B. Protosteel, C. Solenosteel या D. Dictyosteel. Correct is B. Protosteel. As the name suggests, proto means primary, means primitive. ठीक है. Which is not part of protosteel. A. Xylem, B. phloem, C. pith या D. pericycle. Correct is C. pith. Next, protosteel with pith or medullated protosteel is called as A. solenosteel, B. siphonosteel, C. actinosteel या D. plectosteel. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है बी. siphonosteel. Steel with leaf gap is called A. cladosyphonic, B. phyllosiphonic, C. haplosteel या D. none of the above. Correct is B. phyllosiphonic. Next, heterosporous pteridophytes always produce A. monoecious gametophyte, B. dioecious gametophyte, C. monothallic gametophyte या D. none. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है बी. dioecious gametophyte. जो भी heterosporous pteridophytes होते हैं वो हमेशा dioecious gametophyte को प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, और जो homosporous pteridophytes होते हैं वो हमेशा monoecious gametophyte को प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. Next, in the formation of siphonosteel from protosteel, the origin of pith is A. intrastellar, B. extrastellar, C. intrastellar और extrastellar या D. none. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है सी. इंट्रास्टेलर भी हो सकता है और एक्स्ट्रास्टेलर भी हो सकता है पिथ का ओरिजिन. नेक्स्ट, मेगास्पोरोफिल ऑफ pteridophyte is comparable to which structure of angiosperm? A. carpel, B. microsporophyll, C. stamen या D. ovule. Correct is A. Next, heterospory is production of A. sexual and asexual spores, B. large and small spores, C. haploid and diploid spores या D. diploid and tetraploid spores. Correct is B. Next, first fossil pteridophyte discovered by Sir William Dawson is A. Rhynia, B. Horneophyton, C. Silophyton या D. Asteroxylon. Correct is C. Silophyton. Next, which is not a fossil pteridophyte? A. Rhynia, B. Horneophyton, C. Silophyton या D. Gainia. Correct is D. Next, a rootless, leafless pteridophyte from Rhynichurch beds, Aberdeenshire, Scotland, that is Rhynia, was discovered by A. Sir William Dawson, B. P. N. Mehra, C. Kitson and Lang या D. Captain Cook. Correct is C. Next, telome theory was put forward by A. Bower, B. Campbell, C. Zimmerman या D. Van Tighem and Dolliot. Correct is C. Zimmerman. Next, elaboration of simplest sporophyte into modern complex sporophyte is explained by A. Innation theory, B. telome theory, C. Steller theory या D. none. Correct is B. telome theory. Next, highest number of chromosomes in plants is observed in a pteridophyte called A. Lycopodium, B. Osmunda, C. Ophioglossum या D. Marsilia. Correct is C. Ophioglossum. Next, little club moss is A. Lycopodium, Selaginella, C. equisetum या D. Isoetes. Correct is B. Selaginella. Next, horsetail is A. Lycopodium, B. equisetum, C. Isoetes या D. Adiantum. Correct is B. equisetum. Next, fern Adiantum is known by the common name A. quillwort, B. adder's tongue fern, C. hay-scented fern या D. maidenhair fern. Correct is D. maidenhair fern. Next, which is a walking fern? A. Isoetes coromandeliana, B. equisetum volubile, C. Adiantum caudatum या D. Dryopteris felix mass. Correct is C. Next, which is a rootless fern? A. pteris, B. Dryopteris, C. salvinia या D. Adiantum. Correct is C. Next, which of the following grows luxuriantly in Dal Lake of Srinagar, Kashmir? A. Marsilia, B. Adiantum, C. salvinia या D. azolla. Correct is C. Next, which is a xerophytic fern? A. Marsilia, B. azolla, C. woodsia elongata या D. Anogramma leptophylla. Correct is C. Next, smallest fern is A. Dryonaria, B. Anogramma, C. Scythia या D. none. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है B. Next, tree fern, that is the tallest pteridophyte. A. woodsia, B. Scythia, C. Dryonaria या D. Anogramma. Correct is B. Next, heterosporian seed habit is best evidenced in A. Selaginella, B. Marsilia, C. Dryopteris या D. none. Correct is A. Next, which is resurrection plant? A. Marsilia, B. salvinia, C. Selaginella, Lepidophylla या D. none. Correct is C. Next, Selaginella has A. dimorphic leaves, B. isomorphic leaves, C. both A and B, or D. none. Correct is C. Next, outgrowth from base of leaves in Selaginella is A. stipule, B. ligule, C. velum, or D. trabeculae. Correct is B. Next, leaves in Selaginella are A. sessile ovate lanceolate with acute apex, branch, central, midrib. Option B. sessile ovate or lanceolate with acute apex and central unbranched midrib. C. ovate subsessile not with acute apex without midrib, or D. none. Correct is B. Next, a mature ligule is having a prominent basal portion called A. protocorm, B. rhizophore, C. glossopodium, or D. pseudopodium. Correct is C. glossopodium. Next, a leafless, colorless, positively geotropic organ that develops from point of bifurcation of stem in Selaginella is A. rhizomorph, B. ramenta, C. ligule, or D. rhizophore. Correct is D. Next, Selaginella plant is A. homosporous, B. heterosporous, C. isosporous, or D. polysporous. Correct is B. Next, rhizopore of Selaginella is A. root, B. stem, C. new organ or organ sui generis, or D. none. Correct is C. Next, rhizopores are unknown in A. Selaginella rupestris, B. Selaginella crociana, C. Selaginella cuspidata, or D. none. Correct is C. Next, root-like character of rhizopore is not positively geotropic, colorless without nodes and internodes, C. monostelic condition, या D. exogenous origin. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है C. Next, trabeculated endodermis is characteristic of A. lycopodium, B. Selaginella, C. Dryopteris, या D. none. इसका करेक्ट है B. Selaginella. Next, in Selaginella stem the stele is A. monarch and endarch, B. diarch and exarch, C. diarch and endarch, or D. polyarch and endarch. Correct is B. Next, in rhizophore of Selaginella the stele is A. exarch and monarch, B. endarch and monarch, C. exarch and diarch, or D. none. Correct is A. Which is absent in leaf of Selaginella? A. xylem, B. phloem, C. palisade parenchyma, or D. stomata. Correct is C. Next, microsporangia and megasporangia are found on the same strobilus in A. adiantum, B. Selaginella, C. Dryopteris, or D. none. Correct is B. Next, formation of sporophyte from a vegetative portion of prothallus without sexual fusion is called as A. apocarpy, B. apogamy, C. aposporia, D. apomixis. Correct is B. apogamy. Next, development of sporangium in Selaginella is A. eusporangiate, B. leptosporangiate, C. both A and B, or D. none. Correct is A. Next, the number of megaspores inside a megasporangium of Selaginella is normally A. 16, B. 8, C. 4, or D. 2. Correct is C. Next, number of megaspores in Selaginella rupestris is A. 1, B. 2, C. 4, or D. 3. Correct is A. 1. Next, the microspores are shed from the microsporangium of Selaginella at A. 8-celled stage, B. single-celled stage, C. 13-celled stage, or D. 4-cell stage. Correct is C. 13-cell stage. Next, the number of antherozoites produced inside single microspore in Selaginella is generally A. 400 to 1600, B. 256, C. 128, or D. 64. Correct is B. Next, the antherozoites in Selaginella are A. multiflagellated, B. biflagellated, C. bi or multiflagellated, or D. non-flagellated. Correct is B. Next, number of prothelial cells in microspores of Selaginella is A1, B2, C3, D0. Correct is A. Next, number of neck canal cells in archegonium of Selaginella is A1, B2, C4 to 6, or D1 but binucleate. Correct is A. Next, a peculiar structure called embryo sclotch is found in A. Selaginella crociana, B. Selaginella rupestris, C. Selaginella oregana, or D. all. Correct is A. Next, Development of embryo in Selaginella is A. Holoblastic, B. Meroblastic, C. Both A and B, or D. None. Correct is B. The phenomenon of vivipary is found in A. Selaginella crossiana, B. S. rupestris, C. S. lepidophila, or D. All. Correct is D. All. Next है bird's nest moss is A. Adiantum, B. Marsilia, C. Selaginella lepidophila, या D. None. Correct is C. Next, male shield fern is A. Dryopteris, B. Pteris, C. Adiantum, या D. None. Correct is A. Next, fern stele is A. Dictyostele, B. Siphonostele, C. Protostele, या D. Solenostele. Correct is A. Dictyostele. Next, a non-modulated stele with star-shaped xylem and phloem in patches is A. Protostele, B. Actinostele, C. Haplostele, or D. Siphonostele. Correct is B. Actinostele. Next, fern prothallus normally is A. haploid, B. diploid, C. triploid, or D. tetraploid. Correct is A. Next, sorus of Dryopteris fern is A. simple sorus, B. graded sorus, C. mixed sorus, or D. None. Correct is C. Next, prothallus of fern produces A. gametes, B. spores, C. both A and B, or D. None. Correct is A. Next, which of the following venation is characteristic of fern? A. parallel, B. reticulate, C. dichotomous, or D. open furcate. Correct is D. Next, rhizome and rachis in fern are covered with A. hairs, B. scales, C. rhizoids, or D. ramenta. Correct is D. Next, circinate vernation in ferns refers to A. presence of adventitious roots on rhizome, B. attachment of sori on leaf surface, C. system of leaf gaps in the stem, or D. leaves are coiled like a spring when young. Correct is D. Next, sporangia and spore bearing leaf in a fern is called A. ramencium, B. indusium, C. sorus, or D. sporophyll. Correct is D. Next, a collection of sporangia attached to placenta and covered over by indusium is called A. sporophyll, B. sorus, C. cone, or D. ramentia. Correct is B. sorus. Next, a stele is arranged in the form of C, in which portion of fern plant, that A. rhizome, B. young rachis, C. old rachis, or D. lamina. Correct is B. young rachis. Next, the development of sporangium in Dryopteris is A. eusporangiate, B. leptosporangiate, C. both A and B, or D. None. Correct is B. Next, sporophyte of Pteris is A. independent of gametophyte from the very beginning, B. dependent upon gametophyte only in the beginning, C. dependent on gametophyte fully, या D. none. इसका correct है B. Next, fern Dryopteris is A. homosporous, B. heterosporous, C. both A and B, or D. none. Correct is A. Next, spore dissemination in fern is affected by A. annulus, B. indusium, C. tapetum, or D. sorus. Correct is A. annulus. Next, the number of cells in the wall of antheridium of Dryopteris is A1, B2, C3, or D. many. Correct is C. Next, prothallus of Dryopteris is A. heart shaped, B. kidney shaped, C. lemon shaped, or D. muriform. Correct is A. Next, fern prothallus is A. 1 cell thick, B. 4 cell thick, C. many cell thick, or D. none. Correct is A. Next, the sex organs are present on which surface of fern prothallus? B. A. dorsal, B. ventral, C. both A and B, or D. none. Correct is B. Next, the prothallus of Dryopteris is A. dioecious, B. monoecious and protogynous, C. monoecious and androgynous, या monoecious and protoandrous, या D. none. Correct is C. monoecious and protoandrous. Next, the antherozoids in Dryopteris are A. biflagellated with a single coil, B. biflagellated with 2-3 coils, C. multiflagellated with 2-3 coils, or D. multiflagellated with single coil. Correct is C. Next, the sex organs that develop on surface of prothallus of Dryopteris intermingled with rhizoids are A. antheridium, B. archegonium, C. escogonium, or D. none. Correct is A. Next, in the archegonia of Dryopteris, there are 4 neck canal cells, B. 3 neck canal cells, C. 1 neck canal cell with single nucleus, or D. 1 neck canal cell with 2 nuclei. Correct is D. नेक्स्ट, विच इज़ नॉट इन्वॉल्व इन द फर्टिलाइजेशन ऑफ फन? ए वाटर, बी आर्किगोनिया, सी फ्लैजिलेटेड स्पर्म्स या डी pollen tube? करेक्ट इज डी. नेक्स्ट, गैमेटेंजिया ऑफ फर्न आर प्रोड्यूस ऑन ए लीव्स, बी सोरस, सी प्रोथैलस या डी रेमेंशा? करेक्ट इज सी. लास्ट क्वेश्चन है, यूजुअली हाउ मैनी स्पोरोफाइट्स आर डेवलप्ड आउट ऑफ अ गैमेटोफाइट ऑफ ड्रायोटेरिस? ऑप्शन ए 1, बी 2, सी 4 या डी 3? करेक्ट इज सी 4. सो ये थे हमारे टेरिडोफाइटा के 100 क्वेश्चंस. अगर आपको लेसन्स पसंद आ रहे हैं तो प्लीज़ डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. थैंक यू फॉर लिसनिंग. दिस वॉज ऑल अबाउट टुडेज लेसन. स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर मोर न्यू वीडियोज़.